Have you ever dreamed of wandering through the labyrinthine streets of a city where history whispers from every corner, where modernity dances with tradition, and where every moment feels like stepping into a living, breathing storybook? London beckons with endless possibilities and experiences waiting to be discovered. Let's unveil the wonders of London in 2024. Number 15. Listen to music at St. Paul's Cathedral. Crafted by the ingenious Sir Christopher Wren following the ashes of the Great Fire of 1666, this architectural marvel narrates tales of resilience, from regal unions to surviving the ravages of World War II. Dive into a sonic voyage every Sunday with enthralling organ recitals reverberating through the hallowed halls, a tribute to the awe-inspiring grand organ's magnificence. Journey through its ornate crypt, galleries, and the renowned dome with tickets available for sightseeing. Don't forget to experience the ethereal allure of the Whispering Gallery, where whispers traverse the walls in an eerie yet enchanting symphony of sound. Number 14. Spend an evening in Soho and Chinatown. As dusk descends, immerse yourself in the vibrant tapestry of Soho and Chinatown, where the pulse of London beats fervently. Nestled near Piccadilly, Soho welcomes you with open arms, offering an array of experiences from Lady Luck's embrace at the Hippodrome Casino to the spellbinding performances at Piccadilly Theatre. Indulge your palate in the culinary mosaic of Chinatown on Gerrard Street, savoring the flavors of the Orient. And for a touch of Vietnamese flair, pho and bun awaits your taste buds with delectable delights. Number 13. Stay at a downtown hotel with epic skyline views. Ascend to new heights of luxury and opulence with a stay at London's skyline sanctuaries. The Ritz and Claridge's exude timeless elegance in Mayfair, inviting you to luxuriate in regal comfort amidst a tapestry of history. For a modern retreat, ascend to the Shangri-La at the Shard, a celestial oasis offering unparalleled vistas of the city's heart. Dip into Europe's highest hotel pool and be mesmerized by London's nocturnal luminescence. And for a dash of nostalgia, step into the iconic Street Pancras Hotel, immortalized in the Spice Girls' iconic Wannabe music video, a pilgrimage for fans of the legendary girl group. Number 12. Get the best view of Parliament. Behold the heart of British politics at the majestic Houses of Parliament in Westminster, where the nation's leaders gather to shape history. Picture yourself strolling through Parliament Square, surrounded by towering statues paying homage to legends like Churchill and Gandhi. But beware, this vibrant square is not just for sightseeing, it's a stage for passionate activists and spirited protests. Seek serenity nearby at Victoria Tower Gardens, where Rodin's iconic sculpture awaits your admiration. Number 11. Visit Windsor Castle. Just over an hour's journey from London lies the enchanting Windsor Castle, a quintessential slice of medieval magic. Step into a realm where history breathes and every cobblestone whispers tales of royal intrigue. Stroll through the charming town, where modernity meets antiquity, with its bustling shops and inviting eateries. Discover the splendor of Windsor Castle, where echoes of royal ceremonies still linger. As you tread the same halls graced by the likes of Meghan and Harry, feel the weight of centuries of regal history beneath your feet. Number 10. Experience the magic of Stonehenge at sunset. Escape the urban bustle and delve into the mystical aura of Stonehenge, a marvel of ancient engineering and human ingenuity. Journey 2 hours west of London to witness these colossal stones, each a silent sentinel to centuries past. Feel the weight of history as you ponder the intricate craftsmanship that defies time and marvel at the secrets whispered by the stones. Join us for an unforgettable adventure into England's past, where legends come alive amidst the twilight glow. Number 9. Dive into Roman history in Bath. Transport yourself to a realm where Jane Austen's elegance merges seamlessly with the grandeur of ancient Rome in Bath, a UNESCO World Heritage Site bursting with history and opulence. Explore the mystique of the Roman baths, amble down the graceful Georgian avenues, and indulge in pampering at the Thermae Bath Spa. Discover the allure of boutique shopping and savor the flavors of local cuisine, all within the charming embrace of Bath. For a culinary journey, Clayton's Kitchen beckons from within a picturesque Georgian townhouse, offering a delectable array of seasonal British delicacies and libations. Number 8. Get Wizardy at Harry Potter Studios. calling all cinephiles and Potter aficionados. Immerse yourself in the enchanting realm of Harry Potter at the Warner Bros. Film Studio in London. Traverse through iconic sets like the Forbidden Forest, Diagon Alley, and the majestic Great Hall, forging a tangible connection to the cinematic magic. Don't miss your chance to visit Platform 9 and 3/4 and board the legendary Hogwarts Express straight out of the movies. Explore the wizardry of special effects and delve into behind-the-scenes wonders. Conveniently nestled in Leavesden, Watford, just 20 miles from London. Tour tickets start from £47. Number 7. The London Eye. A modern marvel that has evolved into the city's quintessential landmark, revered worldwide. Situated along the vibrant Westminster Road, the area comes alive at night, with the dazzling lights of the London Eye illuminating the surroundings. Experience the thrill of panoramic views, encompassing iconic landmarks such as the Houses of Parliament and the timeless Big Ben, all while suspended over the majestic River Thames. Ensure a seamless experience by securing your tickets in advance, particularly during the bustling summer months. Ticket prices start at £32.50, with enticing packages available for those eager to explore multiple London attractions. Number 6. Spend time at the Big Ben. Dive into the heart of Westminster and uncover the fascinating tale of the legendary clock tower, affectionately known as Big Ben. Formerly St. Stephen's Tower, it underwent a regal transformation in 2012, emerging as the Elizabeth Tower to honor the Queen's Jubilee. While technically Big Ben refers to the bell, it's the entire clock tower that steals the show at the northern end of the Houses of Parliament. Following a remarkable 6-year restoration, it reopened its doors to the public in 2023. Now you can step into history, wander its halls, and immerse yourself in the timeless allure of this iconic landmark. Number 5. See the famous Churchill's War Rooms. Step into the heart of history on King Charles Street, where Winston Churchill, the stalwart Prime Minister, orchestrated the Allied response against Hitler. Here lies the secret underground labyrinth of the famous war rooms. Explore its corridors and delve into the Churchill Museum, a treasure trove of lesser-known anecdotes about his extraordinary leadership. Don't miss the BBC broadcast room, where Churchill's stirring speeches echoed across the nation, lifting spirits during wartime. If you're captivated by World War II history, a visit to the Churchill War Rooms is an absolute must on your London itinerary. Number 4. Travel through time at the British Museum. Prepare to be enchanted as you step into the realm of ancient civilizations at the British Museum, a perennial favorite among visitors to London. Home to iconic treasures like the Rosetta Stone, Parthenon sculptures, and mesmerizing Egyptian mummies, it's a journey through time like no other. Venture into the Enlightenment Room, a sanctuary of Victorian-era marvels and English ingenuity from the age when Britain led the scientific Enlightenment. Prepare to be dazzled by quaint curiosities and inventions that shaped history. Number 3. See London from the Thames. Glide along the iconic River Thames and witness London from a perspective like no other. Feel the pulse of the city as you zip through its heart on a thrilling speedboat tour. Embrace the brisk breeze, but don't forget your stylish jacket for those cooler months. Each stop along the way unveils a tapestry of tales, blending old-world charm with modern marvels. Let the captain regale you with fascinating facts and captivating anecdotes about the historic sites lining the riverbanks. It's another experience you won't soon forget. Number 2. Tour Buckingham Palace and St. James Park. Indulge your inner royalty with a visit to Buckingham Palace and the majestic St. James Park. Catch a glimpse of the regal residence as you marvel at the palace's grandeur. Take a leisurely stroll through St. James Park, where history whispers through every rustle of the leaves. Witness the pomp and pageantry of the changing of the guard ceremony, a spectacle not to be missed. For the ultimate royal experience, book a guided tour during the exclusive summer months and uncover hidden treasures within the palace walls. With limited access, securing your spot is paramount. Don't miss your chance to tread in the footsteps of kings and queens. Number 1. Visit Westminster Abbey. Delve into the rich tapestry of royal history at the awe-inspiring Westminster Abbey. Marvel at the soaring Gothic architecture that has stood the test of time for over 7 centuries. Behold the legendary coronation chair, a seat of power where monarchs have been crowned for centuries. Explore the hallowed halls that serve as the final resting place for luminaries such as Charles Dickens and Winston Churchill. Opt for a guided tour to unlock hidden secrets and gain exclusive insights into this historic landmark. Skip the queues and dive deep into the annals of British history with an experience that promises to leave you spellbound. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to our channel for more travel guides and adventures.